In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly apply a formula to multiple cells in Excel using the name box and Ctrl+D. Let's start by entering the formula you want to use. Click the cell where you want the result to appear, say the first cell in your target area, and type an example formula like equals A1 times A2. It looks like this: A1, A2. Then press enter to confirm it. This establishes the pattern Excel will copy, and it tells Excel which references should move as the formula is applied elsewhere. Next, look to the left of the formula bar. You'll see a small field that displays the address of the currently selected cell. That's the name box. It's a quick way to jump to or select a specific range without dragging your mouse. Click inside that box so you can type. Now type the address of the range where you want the formula applied. For example, if your starting cell with the formula is C1 and you want the same formula to appear in C1 through D1, type C1 D1 into the name box. Make sure the range includes the original cell that already has the formula as well as the cells you want to fill. This tells Excel which area to apply the copy to in one move, and it keeps everything aligned. With that range selected, press Ctrl and D, then press Enter. Ctrl+D fills the rest of the selection using the formula from the first cell in the highlighted area. The result is that the exact same formula structure is applied across your selected cells, adjusting references as needed. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. If your formula needs to point to the same cells everywhere, lock those references with $signs, like $1, $2, before you press enter the first time. That way, when the formula is applied across the range, the references don't shift. Also, ensure the first cell in the selection contains the formula, since Excel uses that top left cell as the source when you press Ctrl+D. If nothing seems to fill, double check that you selected the correct range in the name box and that the active cell, the first one in the selection, already has the formula. Once that's set, Ctrl+D followed by enter will complete the fill instantly. And that's it. You've entered a formula, selected your target range using the name box, and applied the formula across it with Ctrl+D.